Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. This is Rini Mehta. In today's podcast, I'll first start with an overall overview of global and domestic stock markets, and then we'll look at the foreign investors' activity, and finally stock picks for the week. So let's jump right in. Global equity markets remained volatile last week amid worries about slowdown in global growth, and domestic stock markets showed strength and ended the week positively. Sensex and Nifty moved higher by 2% last week, and overall breadth, if you see, of the market was positive with mid-cap, small-cap, and most of the sectoral indices closing the week with positive returns. Realty index continued with strong gains. IT index regained some lost ground post witnessing pressure in the previous week. Then earlier this week, the Gujarat government announced a policy for minimum levels of dividend distribution and bonus shares for its state public sector undertakings, including listed companies. Now, with the results season underway, stocks continue to react to their fourth quarter performance. Meanwhile, crude oil prices corrected last week, with Brent Crude trading below $80 per barrel mark. So markets in the near term will focus on the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting and the ongoing fourth quarter results. Now if we look at the foreign investors' activity, FIIs continued to be the net buyers to the tune of Rs 5,712 crores so far in April. FII flows are expected to remain volatile given the concerns about inflation. FPI flows so far in April were mixed for emerging markets, except for Taiwan and Thailand. All other emerging countries witnessed an inflow. Now coming to the stock ideas along with the result update. First is Axis Bank. Axis Bank had a noisy quarter, but underlying performance was stable. Axis Bank reported a loss primarily related to goodwill and other intangible related charges from the acquisition of Citi's India retail business. Result had no new surprises. NIM was flat at 4.2% quarter on quarter, and business growth was similar to industry average. Asset quality metrics showed marginal improvement. We find CET1 ratio to be comfortable for near-term business requirements at 14%, even though it is lower than its peers. So we have a buy rating on the stock and fair value or target of rupees 1,100. Lastly, our pick of the week is Bajaj Finserve. You can consider adding this stock to your portfolio. The stock had a strong fourth quarter insurance businesses. Outlook is mixed for Bajaj's insurance business. It fared well in fourth quarter with 35% value of new business growth at Bajaj Life and improvement in the combined ratio at Bajaj General Insurance. While growth prospects remain strong, profitability improvement may be constrained due to higher growth investments required in the life business and competition in the general insurance business. So you can consider adding this stock with a target of rupees 1,525. That's all from my side today. See you again next week. Thank you and signing off.